August 3rd card opening. We have a couple mail things to show briefly. First off, I got this Brendan Rodgers PSA 9. I think this is a refractor. It's not labeled as such. I don't know if 2015 Bowman Draft has the refractor label either. It's not numbered, doesn't say it, but just from the light there, it looks very refractor-like. Next, pick this up for pretty cheap. Purple, Jose Abreu, 8.5 first Bowman. This may have been a retail exclusive. It's not numbered either. And finally, Vlad Guerrero, no number, short print, Series 2. This is a little bit of a soft corner, but otherwise looks really good. For that, this box is getting kind of beat up. These are the cards from yesterday. Here we roll. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 7, 2, 4, 7. 1, 4, 2, 4. Alright, so we have our typical. Let's start with retail. John Foster, Rubik, Krinsky, Significant Statistics, Dylan Carlson, that's about it. Joe Adell, I believe, is getting the call back to play again. It's a weird timing. Trout's coming back. I don't know why they didn't take advantage of it while Trout was gone and get him some solid playing time. But I digress. Melissa Contreras. Oh, here's our relic, Chris Davis. Bat relic, not numbered. Just watch the foolish baseball on him. Dar, Sessa, and Conley. So we finally got our hit. And so we're blocked with Chris Davis. I don't think I pulled a bat relic out of Heritage before. So at least that's new. Okay, we'll set that aside. Big one's 2020 high number. Price. I don't recognize that guy at all. One short or high number. And short print. Fort print from High Number. Now we're on Stadium Club. Jake Cronenworth, Brandon Crawford, Dylan Carlson, Jorge Soler, Chris Bryant. Holy cow, every whiff way. Frankie Montas, Reese Hawkins, and Willie Mays. Some rookies there. We'll keep building that set. On the Gypsy Queen. Clark Schmidt, Jose Garcia, Joe Romero, Luke Voigt, Cabrera, Ted Williams, Victor Robles, Matt Stroman. I believe that Ted Williams is my one in the box High Number. Three or six. Yep, it's the High Number. One final thing. That's finest. Unnumbered. Two thick cards. We have the auto and a numbered. Okay, well, I know where the auto is. We'll do it this way. Anthony Rizzo, who's having so far a good career with the Yankees. Are those print lines? Ooh. There's print lines on the left side there. I don't know how well you can actually see it. You can see it right there. Remember this black line coming up here, and there's another one right above the O. That's pretty bad because it ends right there. His belt. That's unfortunate. Bryce Harper. Miguel Cabrera. Paul Goldschmidt. And the rookie card Yankees. Alberto Abreu. Out of 99. That one looks a lot better. It's only the Rizzo got the fate of all the lines. Anyway, it's a nice auto. That's all for opening today. You all take care.